What's up everyone, it's Jimbo and this is a kerosene portable heater. This is great to have for emergency backups, and there's a couple cool features that I really like about it. Has a nice handle, it has a fuel gauge right there, has this little door you can open to the wick. This is how you fill it up right here. It also comes on a stand and comes with some wall deflectors. And it is a 360 heater, and it has this cool grill to protect you. It is portable, like I said. There's the fuel gauge, and there's an automatic safety shutoff, and extinguishes the flame. So if you're looking for a portable heater for your shop or home to use in emergencies, I highly recommend this one.